Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for cruises in the Expedia application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left, and then click on the cruises button. So first you have to set the number of travelers in the cabin, and then you have to select a destination. As you can see, you can search through the most popular ones as well. And then you have to set the departure and the arrival date. And then just click on the search button. And as you can see, here are the results. So now you can just scroll through them and find the one that's the most suitable for you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.